Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error Windows cannot access the specified device path or file. Let's fix it guys. First of all, the basic step, I suggest you to uninstall any third-party antiviruses that you have installed in your system, such as Avast, AVG or Northern. After uninstalling these third-party antiviruses, go ahead and launch the Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the first solution guys. The first solution is to add Valorant files into firewall. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings. Click on allow another app. Select browse. You need to browse the Valorant executable files which is in the C drive and open the right games folder, Valorant folder, live folder. Click on Valorant and select open. Select add. Select allow another app. Select browse again, and now you just need to double click on the shooter game folder, by niche folder, Win64, and you just need to select Valorant Win64 shipping.exe file and select open it. Select add. After adding this both files, you just need to check mark both option in here guys, private and public. After check marking it, select OK. Now you just need to go ahead and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uncheck all the option in compatibility tab. To do this, open File Explorer. Now open the directory of your Valorant which is in C drive. Open the right games folder, Valorant folder, live folder. Right click on the valorant.exe file and select properties. Select compatibility tab. In here you need to uncheck all of these options guys. After unchecking it, select apply and OK for save changes. And now you just need to open the shooter game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. You need to find Valorant Win64 shipping.exe. Right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility tab. You just need to uncheck all the options in here as well and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it up here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to clean install right Vanguard. To do this, you just need to click on this system tray icon, right click on the right games and select exit. And after doing this, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. In the command prompt, you just need to type sc space delete space vgc, press enter. Now you just need to type sc space delete space vgk and press enter. After doing this, close it up here and you must restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, open up File Explorer, go to local disk C, open the program files folder, and now you just need to find right Vanguard folder. You just need to right click on it and delete it guys. In my case, I have not restarted my PC. That's the reason I can't able to delete this folder. You need to delete it, and after deleting it, you just need to open the right client. After opening the right client, click on the Valorant and select the update option and update it guys. This will help you to install the deleted Vanguard. After getting update done, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.